Bali Indonesia Travel Guide. Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel stories and tips. Today, we're diving into the enchanting island of Bali, Indonesia. Nestled in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago, Bali is a tropical paradise known for its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and spiritual tranquility. Our journey begins in Ubud, the island's cultural hub, where the air is filled with the aroma of incense and the sounds of traditional gamelan music. Here, amidst terraced rice paddies and sacred temples, we discover the essence of Balinese artistry and spirituality. Ubud's monkey forest, a sanctuary for playful primates, adds a touch of wild charm to the serene surroundings. As we move south, the bustling town of Kuta welcomes us with its golden beaches and legendary surf breaks. Kuta Beach is not just a surfer's haven but also a place where sunsets paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating perfect moments for relaxation and reflection. The lively nightlife, with its array of bars and clubs, ensures that the energy of Kuta is felt long after the sun has set. Next, we explore the iconic temples that dot the island. Tanah Lot, perched on a rocky outcrop amidst crashing waves, is a sight to behold, especially during the evening high tide. The temple's silhouette against the setting sun is a postcard-perfect image that captures the mystical allure of Bali. Further east, the majestic Besaki Temple, known as the Mother Temple, stands on the slopes of Mount Agung, Bali's highest peak. This sprawling complex of shrines and pagodas offers breathtaking views and a deep sense of spiritual peace. Bali is also a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The lush greenery of the Tagalalang rice terraces provides a picturesque backdrop for trekking and cycling. For those seeking underwater adventures, the coral reefs around Aimed and Nusa Penida offer some of the best diving and snorkeling experiences in the world. The island's diverse marine life and vibrant coral gardens are a testament to the natural beauty that lies beneath the waves. No journey to Bali would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From savory sautés and spicy sambals to sweet treats like pisang goreng, Balinese cuisine is a feast for the senses. Local markets and street food stalls offer a taste of authentic flavors, while upscale restaurants present innovative dishes that fuse traditional ingredients with modern techniques.
Tips for travelers.
To fully immerse yourself in the magic of Bali, here are some essential tips for travelers. 1. Respect local customs and traditions. Bali is deeply rooted in its Hindu culture, and respect for local customs is crucial. When visiting temples, ensure you wear a sarong and a sash, which are often provided at the entrance. Always remove your shoes before entering any sacred place and avoid pointing your feet towards shrines or statues. 2. Mind the monkeys. While the playful monkeys in Ubud's monkey forest and other areas are a delight to watch, they can also be mischievous. Keep your belongings secure, as they are known to snatch bags, hats, and even sunglasses. It's best to avoid direct eye contact and not to feed them. 3. Currency and bargaining. The local currency is the Indonesian rupiah, IDR. It's advisable to carry some cash, especially in smaller denominations for local markets and street vendors. When shopping at markets, don't hesitate to bargain, but always do so with a smile. Bargaining is part of the culture and can be a fun experience. 4. Stay hydrated and sun-safe. Bali's tropical climate means it can get quite hot and humid. Make sure to drink plenty of water, use sunscreen, and wear a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Coconut water is a refreshing and hydrating local favorite you can easily find everywhere. 5. Transportation tips. Renting a scooter is a popular way to explore Bali, giving you the freedom to visit hidden gems at your own pace. However, traffic can be chaotic, so ensure you're comfortable riding a scooter and always wear a helmet. Alternatively, you can hire a local driver for a day to take you around. It's convenient and often affordable. 6. Visit during the off-season. To avoid the crowds and get better deals on accommodations, consider visiting Bali during the off-season, typically from January to April and October to November. The weather is still warm, but you'll have a more relaxed experience without the peak season rush. 7. Try local cuisine. Balinese food is a delightful mix of flavors and spices. Don't miss out on trying dishes like nasi goreng, fried rice, mie goreng, fried noodles, and babi guling, suckling pig. Street food stalls and warongs, small family-owned restaurants, offer some of the most authentic and delicious meals. 8. Explore beyond the tourist spots. While places like Kuta and Seminyak are popular, don't miss out on exploring Bali's lesser-known areas. The northern and eastern parts of the island, such as Lavina and Aimed, offer stunning landscapes, tranquil beaches, and a more laid-back atmosphere. Why do you visit Bali? What makes Bali so irresistible? Here are the top reasons why you should visit this magical island. 1. Captivating culture and traditions. Bali is a treasure trove of rich cultural heritage. From traditional dance performances to intricate temple ceremonies, the island's vibrant culture is woven into daily life. Witnessing a Balinese Hindu festival or exploring the many temples, like Tanah Lot and Besaki, provides a deep connection to the island's spiritual roots. 2. Stunning natural beauty. Bali's diverse landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Whether it's the emerald green rice terraces of Ubud, the volcanic mountains in the north, or the pristine beaches along the coast, Bali offers a variety of breathtaking scenery. Each sunrise and sunset paints the sky with spectacular colors, making every moment picture-perfect. 3. Adventure and outdoor activities. For thrill seekers, Bali is an adventure playground. Surf the world-famous waves in Kuta, dive into the vibrant coral reefs of Nusa Penida, or hike up Mount Batur to catch a sunrise view that will leave you in awe. The island's diverse terrain provides endless opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts.
4. Délicieux cuisine.
Balinese cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors, spices, and textures. From savory sautés and spicy sambals to refreshing tropical fruits, every meal is an adventure. Trying local dishes like nasi goreng, mie goreng, and babi guling at street stalls and warongs is a culinary journey you won't forget. 5. Wellness and relaxation. Bali is a global hub for wellness and relaxation. The island is dotted with yoga retreats, spas, and wellness centers that offer rejuvenating experiences. Whether you're indulging in a traditional Balinese massage or finding inner peace in a yoga class amidst lush greenery, Bali provides the perfect environment for relaxation and self-care. As our Balinese adventure comes to an end, we're left with memories of its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. If you enjoyed discovering why Bali is a must-visit destination, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories and tips. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the beauty of our world.